back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, hi guys, welcome to Patois Chronicles Jamaica chocolate tea. Come to Jamaica, never try the chocolate tea, you need to try it. Alright. So it was always here on Jamaica land. It's just because Salone, the British man, came here and he got it, and then go back home and tell people about it. Yes, so see it now. Sense fall.
I like sense fall. To see your face, to see your foot. Watch this entire video now to learn more. Boom.
First panelist, Sense Fall. Here in Jamaica, you come here, you might, if you have never yet heard it and you have been to Jamaica, maybe you're not at that place, but Sense Fall about is a farmer fall, you know, farmer fall, what that? It's a fall, they have them picky, what kind of fall again, the maga, and the maga bad, but then them don't look so healthy, you know, them really manga. Trying hard not to laugh because it is of the description that I'm giving, but here the maga, them skinny, maga bad, yeah. So say your favor, you say your maga and say like sense fall, or you say your favor sense fall. Come here, food. Hey, come here, beat me, girl. Come here, food. Yes, we will behave like that. Oh my God. So I get to understand that in Africa they will use toothpick to compare, but here in Jamaica, sensible. So you're really skinny, and I'm not bashing any skinny people out there. It's just Jamaica, the way of speaking. Alright? Oh my God! Wow! What does it mean in English language? Chicken. Yeah. Sense fall is a form of chicken. Fall is chicken. Alright? So in English, see how skinny you are. You resemble a tiny chicken. That don't make no sense. A tiny baby chick is a chick. Laugh is on me. Anywho, so you come here to Jamaica and somebody say, she feel a sense of fall. She's not trying to, be mean or anything. Yeah, Jamaicans will be mean, but we are so jovial. We take everything for joke. You're too fat, we laugh at you. You're too skinny, we laugh at you. So no hard feelings, alright? Next panelist. Some like it. Yes, some like it. Some like my blouse. Yes, some like it. That's how I like it. That's how I like my ketchup on my chicken. I want. That's how I like ketchup on my food. I want. That's how I like it. So here in Jamaica, you will hear that sentence right there. So some like it. Yeah, some like the blouse. I want. Here, so you come here to Jamaica, and you like something, you like a car, or you like the pants, or some like it, or you like one string, or some like it, or you like one brother, some like it, or some like him, whatever. But you know me, you get it by now, right? So say it, some like it, some like it, some like it. All right, that's how I like it. Alright, so now we're gonna look for English now. Look what it say. That's how I like it. Can you put more ketchup on it, please? That's how I like it. I like my ketchup on my chicken, not on the rice. Alright? So put it on. I love my gravy. Yeah, that's how I like my my meal to be shared out. The gravy on the meat and not the rice. Alright. So some like it. Some like it.
Rub. Yeah, boy, yeah, me.
List next on the list. Cow back and cow Costco. This one I've never heard it before, but I'm a youngster. What you expect? You girl, yo, hey, one stay upon cow back and Costco. You see you. Me tell you about you. Me say you not good. So you might hear it in all the folks might know about this one. Comment down below. So the word for today is cow. Me not understand it, but cow back and cow. Fuck, me not get it. But me elder, whoever you're young and you know about it, you hear it already. Talk to me. Some like it.
Why are you running?
If you never know me, I burn up for do that video and fan off it off. Then my neighbor play music. So see the English translation here now. Ungrateful. Emily, you are so ungrateful. After everything he did for you. Huh? Emily. So guys, ungrateful, cow back business. I'm going over there to look for it because I try to understand it, but I've never heard it before, but it's said here in Jamaica. And of course we're gonna get in it and get the ear and the groove and dance and move your body and so we like cause we like the video, we like Jesus, of course I will love Jesus. So guys, watch it now. Thanks for watching this video. The video not done yet. Watch it straight through. Yes, tune in for games night on Thursday at 6 p.m. and on Monday Sunday to Sunday, alright? Morning glory at 6 a.m. Jamaican time. And of course there's something new. Yes, here on Nisha James TV. Yes guys, my voice soon come back and I can't get all the trouble, you know. But look on this now. Want to check out my members, them listed down below. Please tell them that Nisha James send you and you watch the video. Comment down below. First comment shout out goes to yes again. See the name of baby my girl. Love you my boo. Thank you guys. Go watch out a video. Comment. Yes, Tanisha send you and bear things. The Robinson family young couple. Best couple on YouTube. But the thing said some like it. Check them out and leave a comment. And yes, of course, team, check them out, alright? Check them out, alright? And so the thing said. Thank you very much for coming, everyone, each and everyone. Bye.